Hello kids. Today we learn some colors name. Today we learn some colors name. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 colors. Black color, red color, dark green color, lemon yellow color, orange color, blue color, light green color, pink color.